Pakistani underworld don who killed Indian national Sarabjit Singh in jail was assassinated by two unknown gunmen, completely unknown gunmen in Lahore on Sunday. He was attacked by the motorcycle-borne unknown assailants at his home in the Islampura area of Lahore. While the motive behind the shootout remains a mystery, Pakistan has squarely blamed India, calling it a targeted killing. Take a look at the developments so far before our last debate on the unknown gunmen who have killed this terrorist.
11 years after Indian prisoner Sarabjit Singh died in Pakistan jail after being brutally assaulted by prisoners. Amir Sarfaraz Tamba, accused in the murder of Sarabjit Singh, was shot dead by unidentified gunmen in Lahore on Sunday.
इन्होंने पापा पे उस टाइम पे हमला करके उनको बुरी तरह से घायल कर दिया था जेल में। उसके बाद उनकी वहाँ पर मौत हो गई थी पाकिस्तान की जेल में ही। उनमें से एक जो शख्स था उसको कल गोलियों से मार के उसकी हत्या की गई है कुछ मीर सरफराज, जिस पे मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे हम कहते हैं कि कर्मों का फल यहीं पर ही मिलता है, ये उसके कर्मों का ही फल है। लेकिन इसके साथ ही मुझे लगता है एक बहुत बड़ी साजिश भी है ये पाकिस्तान की ही सरकार की तरफ से, क्योंकि ऐसे हो सकता है बहुत सारे राज हों जो उनको लगता हो कि बाहर ना आ जाएं दुनिया के सामने।
Tamba was a close associate of Lashkar-e-Taiba founder Hafiz Saeed. Sources say Tamba enjoyed all facilities during his jail term. Pakistan has blamed India behind the attack on Amir Sarfaraz.
मैं कल इंडिया में देख रहा था, एग्जैक्टली इस तरह का इंसिडेंट हुआ है। वहां तो इतना बड़ा हमने नहीं देखा कि उन्होंने उसको एग्जैक्टली इसी तरह का इंसिडेंट हुआ है। आप देख लें, मैं आपके साथ वो शेयर कर लूंगा क्लिप। लेकिन हमने उसको 15 दिन से 10 दिन से उसको इतना बड़ा इशू बना दिया कि क्या हो गया।
This even as the world has rejected Pakistan's claim.
I've been following the media reports about this issue. We don't have any comment on the underlying allegations, but of course, while we're not going to get in the middle of this situation, we encourage both sides to avoid escalation and find a resolution through dialogue.
Why is Pakistan shifting the blame on India for alleged targeted killings? Let's debate.
Sundus Mustaqeen is a Pakistani journalist from Islamabad taking on Gaurav Arya. Ms. Mustaqeen, can you tell us why the Pakistani terrorists, the Pakistani criminals are in the middle of these gang wars these days? You know, one gang killing another gang, one gang member killing another gang member, one terrorist killing another terrorist. We have seen increased killings by terrorists of terrorists. So how do you analyze this? Why is this happening?
Lucy, thank you for having me in your program. And you said terrorists are killing terrorists. Is this making any sense when we say terrorists are killing terrorists? If this is the case, this is I would say the lucky case ever. If terrorists has been killing terrorists, I think we are accusing and blaming India, and it's not just Pakistan who's blaming India of killing people in our country, but actually 4 countries, including Pakistan, the USA, the Canada, and even the Great Britain. All these 4 countries are accusing and blaming India for the target killings. You know, the Canadian Prime Minister is on the same view. The US State Department is on the same view. Even the investigation are going on in UK as well, right? It's not only Pakistan who's blaming India for these killings, actually. So 3 other different countries.
You're saying that we are, but you have no proof.
According to the international media,
there is no proof of this. There is Sundushji, there has to be some proof behind this. This new theory that you are putting out every day, coming up with a new theory that India is involved in killing this person.
Singh has said this with so much of confidence. Actually, at one side, your foreign minister has been denying, and on the other side, on the flip side, your defense minister Rajnath Singh is on the same way with so much of confidence that yes, we are killing and we will keep on killing people inside the country in Pakistan. So I think
he has not said that. Let me tell you. One minute. One minute.
actually.
Rajnath
You
Singh
are
has said.
the defense minister is
Rajnath,
admitting, and your
Rajnath
foreign
Singh ji
ministry
has
is
said.
denying.
No, no. Sundar ji, Rajnath Singh ji has said कि हम घर में घुसकर मारते हैं.
Exactly.
हम
And मारेंगे.
Gaurav will
He said
explain
हम
and I can
मारेंगे.
yeah
He said
Gaurav
with so
can
much of
Gaurav can
confidence,
explain
he
एक मिनट
admitted. Even your PM has said that India
जो
is
हम
not
ये
the same.
कहते
We are
हैं
having so much
yeah,
of power. Means indirectly he's predicting that yes, we can do that.
Yeah.
He is admitting actually that
Yeah.
yes, we can do that. And it's
Yeah.
not admitting actually that
Yes.
yes, we can do that.
Yes.
A habit. Is
Yes, we can do that, and we have done it. We have.
Canada, not go to Great Britain.
No, we
All
have.
are saying the
We
same.
have done it, but
2019, India is on
so
I
if,
mean,
if
India
you are saying that
is shifting its
if-
move
if-
towards the target killings of either Sikh
so-
leaders or
so-
Pakistani so-called terrorists
so
or
you-
whatsoever.
no.
So India is now habitual of killing people, and USA
I
and
don't know.
Pakistan and whatsoever. You know, the Khalistan Tehreek, India is killing people, Sikh leaders in USA and even the New York, and you just denied when it comes to.
no, it's all right. If you feel this way, I have a Sundarji, if you feel this way, if you genuinely feel this way, I'll pass it on to Gaurav to respond to you. देखिए ये तो कोई दो राय नहीं है सुंदर जी. गौरव भी आपको कहेंगे कि हम कहते हैं कि ये नया भारत है, हम मारते हैं, हम घर में घुसकर मारते हैं. नया भारत है, हम अप्रोच है अप्रोच है कि हम घर में घुसकर मारते हैं, जैसे हमने बालाकोट में मारा, हमने मारा. आप नहीं मगर ये जो छोटी मोटी घटनाएं आपके यहाँ हो रही है उसके साथ हमारा क्या लेना देना. गौरव विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू. गौरव उस्मा करदार ऑफ द PMLN इज ऑल्सो देयर. You know, would you like to respond to this view of the Pakistanis that we are killing their terrorists on their soil?
No, Arnab, I don't think we are killing anybody. And whatever action we have taken, this ghar mein ghus ke marna, it relates to Balakot
Yeah.
and the surgical strikes. That is point number one. Point number two, have you realized one thing very funny?
Correct.
Harjeet Singh Nijjar dies, and as very rightly brought out by the Pakistani panelist, you know, everybody gets very offended that India has done it. Everybody. But when the Americans are asked about the Pakistanis, 20 Pakistanis getting killed, the Americans say we have no comment. So basically in the world, nobody cares if Pakistanis die. Have you noted this? The American spokesperson said, we don't know anything about this, we don't want to comment. One Canadian citizen dies, everybody is very conscious, though they don't
Yeah.
have proof. Till now, so many months have passed, but Justin Trudeau has not offered 1% proof. He should have given the proof. He should have so-called quote-unquote
Yeah.
exposed India in front of everybody.
Yeah.
You see, they should have done it. And the Pakistanis should do it. But they're not doing it. But 20
Yes, they are
Pakistanis
doing
get killed.
it.
Madam, just hold on. Ma'am, just hold on.
Public.
Allow me to... Ma'am, you should not interfere. When you were speaking, I kept quiet. So, ma'am, have a little bit of manners, ma'am. This is an Indian TV channel, not a Pakistani channel. Hold on. So, essentially what has happened is... No, don't do this. It's coming to you. Right now, hold on. So, what has happened is, in Pakistan's case, when the American spokesperson was asked, you know, what are your comments? The Pakistanis are saying, according to this Guardian story, that the Indians have so-called killed 20 Pakistanis. And he said, I don't care. Nobody cares about dead Pakistanis. I mean, even Pakistanis don't care about dead Pakistanis. They are creating a hue and cry about 20 Pakistanis killed. More than 80,000 Pakistanis have been killed by Pakistanis in terror attacks and they don't care. So, Arnab, this is just a sham. You can ask both the ladies on the screen. It's just a sham. This is just Pakistan's excuse of asking money from India. In the end, they'll ask money. हम चुप हो जाएंगे, आप थोड़ा सा पैसे दे दीजिए. अभी शहबाज शरीफ गया था वहां पे भीख मांगने के लिए सऊदी अरेबिया. They're going to end up asking money, Arnab. That is their national expertise. ये एक ही काम में फिट है ये लोग पैसा मांगने के. ये मांगने वाले हैं पैसा. कहीं आपकी शो में ना मांग ले, मुझे डर लग रहा है. आप पूछ लीजिए अर्नब अगर चाहिए तो. Madam, आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा मैं. I'm talking to Arnab. Arnab is the anchor of the show. I'm talking to Arnab.
Now, I want to bring in Uzma Kardar. I want to bring in Uzma ji. 1 minute. Let me bring in Uzma ji. Uzma ji, see, making allegations against India that we are killing your terrorists. I was speaking to the foreign minister about a week back, the Indian foreign minister, and he said, and he rightly said, who are these people who Pakistanis are complaining are being killed? इनका biodata क्या है? What is their profile? Who are they? Are they businessmen? Are they diplomats? Are they bureaucrats? Or are they all terrorists? This is something, Uzma ji, you must also think about. See, everyone in the world is asking you. You are going around the world saying that you've killed our terrorists, you've killed our terrorists. Nobody is responding to you. First of all, therefore, my first point which I want you to respond is, there is no moral argument here. You can go to London, you can go to Ottawa, you can go to Auckland and say, our own terrorists, हमारे अपने जितने terrorists हैं, उनको कोई मार रहा है. तो लोग तो आपको कहेंगे जो भी मार रहा है उनको आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहिए. मगर आप कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि हमारे अपने टेररिस्ट जिनको हमने पनाह दी, जिनको हमने इतनी सपोर्ट दी, इतनी ट्रेनिंग दी, इंडिया भेजा, वापस लाए, खिलाया पिलाए, उनको मारा जा रहा है. तो लोग आपको कहेंगे यू शुड बी थैंकिंग पीपल. योर बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम उस्मा जी टुडे इज टेररिज्म. तो whoever is killing your terrorists, I'm not saying there is one person, one individual, one country, one company, but you should be grateful to them. But you're not even grateful, you are complaining. That's point number one. Point number two, and you can respond to both, you are saying we are behind it. If you say that we are behind it, you have to come to us. You have to go through the diplomatic channels. You have to file a proper complaint, send it through the diplomatic channels, take it through the bureaucratic channels, let it go through the police channels and the investigative channels. It may take about 10-20 years, but we'll get back to you. जैसे आप करते थे ना 26/11 के बाद कि आप हमें रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए, हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दीजिए, हम बिलीव मी वी विल गेट बैक टू यू. मे बी नॉट in 2024, by 2034, 2044, 2054, we will respond to you. But you must have belief in the system. Hai so
okay.
First thing, first question, why don't you thank the people who are killing your terrorists? And second, why don't you take it through the proper channels?
Okay.
Yeah, sort of
now,
for the moment, yes. Yes,
I think
for the
that, the Indian side is now so frustrated that they just want to pile the blame of everything that goes wrong in their own country on other people. You people should actually worry about your image in the world. Internationally, everybody is now saying that India is exporting terrorism in different parts of the world. And you have Justin Trudeau in Canada, you have the US officials in the State Department.
Delusional.
They have Justice Trudeau on the floor of the Parliament has said that we will not allow anybody to hit any of our citizens on our own soil. And Harjit Singh and other Sikhs have been targeted. And you people have not cooperated in any kind of investigation, and you have not even, cooperated in the U.S. Plan to assassinate a U.S. citizen on their soil. The State Department wanted you to cooperate in the investigation, and they said that we have uncovered an assassination plot which you people made, which Raw made in the US. But you guys are totally, you have your head, under the sand, and you are totally denying the export of terrorism. In Pakistan, this has been going on for years now. It's been going on for decades. What about Kulbhushan? Who was Kulbhushan? Where was he found? And what was he up to? So, this is there have been about 20 targeted killings. And we have the same pattern we see now in Amit Tamba's death also.
Targeted killings of whom? No, Uzma ji, let me put the question to you that the Honorable Foreign Minister was asking me. He said, Arnab, next time you're with a Pakistani panelist, you ask them, who are these people? You have said 20 targeted killings. Uzma ji, can you tell me the biodata? Can you tell me the biodata of these 20 eminent citizens?
Recent ones.
Who are these 20 people?
Who was the leader of Jaish Muhammad in Dashka. He was, he was accused of the Pathankot incident. He was targeted, and then
you are supporting a Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist on my program. You are supporting a Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist on my program. Even if he's dead, you should not support him.
Have the guts.
Even if he's dead, you should not support him.
Listen to what we have to say also.
You are supporting the Jaish-e-Mohammed.
To you and to Major Gaurav. Now you listen to what
Why
we
are you doing
have to
this?
say. In June 2021, there was a car bombing
I'm just
outside
surprised
the
that you're
residence of
supporting a
Hafiz
terrorist
Saeed.
group so
And there
openly,
were
man.
multiple casualties there. Multiple
Hafiz Saeed इनका
casualties
national
there.
hero है.
And
Hafiz
Rome was
Saeed.
involved in
Maulana
that as
Masood
well.
Azhar इनका
So we
national hero
have
है.
evidence. We have evidence.
Osama bin
The
Laden
point
इनके
is
लिए
that
शहीद है.
you people keep denying. You people don't cooperate. We are very,
ये-
very sure there is an
ये घर में-
investigation going on. Our
मतलब
interior
ये
minister
अपने-
today had a press
ये अपने घर में
conference
बच्चों
in
को
which he
बोलते
said
हैं कि
that
बड़ा
this
होके
time
तुम्हें उसामा
again the
जैसा
pattern
बनना
is
है.
the same.
Gaurav,
And we,
let her
That's the
speak
problem
now.
with them.
we feel
That
that
is the problem
there
with
is
them. This is
suspicion
problem
on
with
India,
Pakistanis.
on
The
Raw,
terrorists are the
that
heroes.
they are involved in his killing
Gaurav,
as
Terrorists
well.
are the heroes. That is
Someone
why
interfered.
Imran Khan on the floor of the parliament called Osama bin Laden a
Gaurav,
shaheed.
please have
You
some
should ask them.
manners. Let her speak.
इनके
So now
इनके
let us
heroes
you
हैं ये
people have
terrorists.
to answer to the whole world.
इनके
It's not just
इनके heroes
Pakistan
हैं.
that you have to
Arnab,
answer to. You have
ये
to
इनसे-
answer to
Madam,
all these
tell me
other
something.
countries where you are
Osman,
carrying
tell me
on
something.
these
Why
terrorist
were you in
activities.
FATF?
You're killing
Why
people
were
left,
you in
right, and
FATF?
center.
Why was your
Especially
country in
the
FATF 4
Khalistan
times?
movement.
Please answer my
You are
question.
killing Sikhs all over the place.
Please answer
Wherever
my
they have a
question.
referendum,
Why were you on
wherever
FATF
they
grey list?
come out in
4
throngs,
times
in
FATF
millions
grey
and
list.
say that we
Because
want
you are
our
supporting
own
terrorists.
Khalistan. We don't want
You are
to take
terrorists
India.
yourself.
You kill them.
Uzma ji.
You kill all their leaders.
Uzma ji.
Madam Uzma ji, you are just an English speaking terrorist. You see, you are in FATF for 4 times. Why are you being put in FATF 4 times? Because you support
That's the
terrorism.
problem. That's the problem. We are
No,
out
what do you
of
mean that
the
is the
jail
problem?
list. That's
What do you-
another. That's
Arre-
another slap in your
Arre-
face.
Uzma
That
Laudi.
that is
You have
another
been in
reason
FATF.
why you guys are so frustrated.
You have been in
that we're
FATF.
not
आपको शर्म आनी
FATF
चाहिए.
anymore.
You seem to be very proud of it. आप तो कहते हैं मैं एक बार और डालो. आपको तो मजे आने लगे हैं टेररिज्म से.
हम
You have been in
तो वहाँ
FATF
पे
or
है
not?
नहीं ना. अब
Ma'am,
प्रॉब्लम
एक
इज
बात
कि आप
बताइए,
लोगों
are you
ने
in-
प्रोपेगेंडा
have you been
कर
FATF
करके
grey list or not?
प्रोपेगेंडा किया पूरी
आप-
दुनिया में.
आप पहले
आपका
बात-
प्रोपेगेंडा
no, no, no.
उल्टा पड़ गया.
Have you been-
वो तो
propaganda तो
आपकी
छोड़िए,
उल्टी
हमारी
पड़
बोलिए.
गई सब तक
Have you
गिरे
been on
और हम
FATF
तो
grey list or not?
हमें FATF से
Madam,
हम
you tell me,
निकल
have
गए
you been on
ग्रे लिस्ट
FATF grey
से.
list
तो
or
अब
not?
आपको
आप
बड़ा
FATF
प्रॉब्लम
की
हो
grey
रहा
list में रहे कि
है.
नहीं?
You don't know what to do
सच
next.
बताइए.
Nobody is
सच
listening.
बोलिए.
The world is not listening to you
बोलिए.
anymore because
सच
you're
बोलिए.
exporting terrorism
आप
to,
सच बोलिए,
to the
आप
whole
FATF
world.
की ग्रे लिस्ट में थे कि नहीं? आप FATF की ग्रे लिस्ट में 4 बार थे कि नहीं? हाँ या ना?
अरे भाई वो आप लोगों के प्रोपेगेंडा की
भाई
वजह
और
से
बहन
थे.
मत करिए,
आप
हाँ या ना
सारी
बोलिए.
दुनिया में जाके
आप
लॉबिंग
FATF की
करते
ग्रे लिस्ट में थे
हैं.
कि
आप
नहीं?
खरीदते हैं लोगों को जाके बाहर
अरे
और
सुनिए,
उनसे ये
इतना
स्टेटमेंट्स
झूठ
दिलवाते हैं
बोलेंगे.
पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ.
अर्नब, ये
एवरीबडी
अकेली
नोज
कौम है
दैट.
पाकिस्तानियों की जो अपने बच्चों से झूठ बोलते हैं ये लोग. अपनी गलत हिस्ट्री पढ़ाते हैं.
अरे
ये
आप
लोग. सब
पूरी
झूठ
दुनिया में
बोलते हैं.
जाके झूठ
पूरा
बोलते हैं.
मुल्क झूठ में
आपको
मबनी है.
पैसे खिलाते हैं
पूरा
और
मुल्क
उनसे
झूठ
झूठ
पे टिका
बुलवाते
हुआ है
हैं.
उनके.
लेकिन आप देख लें
अरे
अपना ट्रैक
FATF की
रिकॉर्ड
ग्रे
क्या
लिस्ट
है.
में 4
किस
बार
तरह से आप ह्यूमन
पैसे
राइट्स
खाते
वायलेशंस करते हैं पूरी
पैसे
दुनिया में.
खाते
आपको पता चल गया. आप ह्यूमन राइट्स का जो
आपको
कमेटी
शर्म
है
आनी
उसकी
चाहिए कि आप
रिपोर्ट्स
लोग
पढ़ने
पैसे खा
जाते
गए.
हैं. आपको पता चल
आप लोग
जाएगा क्या
FATF की ग्रे लिस्ट में.
आप इंडिया का
You
वहाँ
are a
पे
non-terrorist
real
face.
face क्या है.
Everybody knows Pakistan is a terrorist country. 4 बार ग्रे लिस्ट में
Oh
गए.
no!
Why 4
That
times?
is something
What do you
which
mean
has
that?
this has come back.
That का क्या मतलब है?
You know, directly to
आप
India
बताइए.
now. The whole
Osama bin
world
Laden-
knows
Osama bin Laden
Pakistan
शहीद है कि नहीं है?
does not
Osama bin Laden शहीद है कि नहीं है?
in any
Osama
other
bin Laden
country.
शहीद है कि नहीं है?
They do not
Osama bin
violate
Laden
the
शहीद है कि
laws
नहीं है?
of any other sovereign
Osama bin
country.
Laden शहीद
It's
है कि नहीं
India
है?
that is doing it.
Osama bin
India is
Laden शहीद है कि
violating
नहीं
the
है?
laws of
Osama
the
bin Laden
US.
शहीद
India
है
is
कि नहीं है?
violating the laws of
Osama bin
Canada.
Laden शहीद है कि
India
नहीं है?
is violating the
Osama bin
laws
Laden
of
शहीद है कि
UK.
नहीं है? बताओ.
And they are
Any
murdering
Uzma ji,
people left,
Uzma ji.
right and
क्या
center.
Osama bin Laden
Uzma ji.
शहीद है?
Everybody knows that. Pakistan
ये
doesn't
Uzma
do
ji.
that.
सवाल पूछिए
Pakistan
ना.
Uzma
is
ji,
not known for this,
Uzma ji,
anymore.
Uzma ji,
It's India that
उस्मा
is
जी हम
promoting terrorism all
विश्वास
over
करते हैं.
the
मेरी बात सुनिए उस्मा जी. गौरव
और आपका
सुंदर जी, उस्मा जी,
राजनाथ सिंह
दिल्ली
ने
में
तो
हम
openly
ऐसे
कह
कहते
दिया, हम
हैं.
तो
दिल्ली
घर
में
घुस के मारेंगे
हम
तो ये घुस के
दिल्ली के
मारने
लोग
का
ऐसे कहते हैं.
नतीजा
उस्मा जी,
सामने आ रहा है आपके.
हम घर में घुसकर मारेंगे. उस्मा जी हम घर में घुसकर मारेंगे, जरूर मारेंगे, अपने समय से मारेंगे, खूब मारेंगे. जैसे करोगे
तो
वैसे
कोरोना
भरोगे.
क्यों डाला हुआ है
यही
आपने?
हमारा अप्रोच
फिर
है.
मान
नया
जाए ना
भारत
कि
है.
आप
हम तो हंस रहे हैं.
terrorist की
हमारा
बादशाह
नया
हैं.
भारत है. अभी
फिर
आप
मान जाएं कि
हम कितनों को मारेंगे, कब मारेंगे,
हम जिस मर्जी के घर में घुस जाएं, जिस मर्जी को
आपको मैं वो
कौन बोल रहा है? आपको पता ही नहीं है.
जी.
You say you want peace with the neighbor countries. It's a
See,
high-
ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan extremely concerned about the suspicious killings of terrorists on its soil. We don't know which unknown people are carrying out these unknown killings. It is all completely unknown. I'll see you tomorrow at 9. Good night and goodbye.